Hey foodies and adventurers! Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your go-to destination for all things food and travel. If you're passionate about exploring new cultures and their mouth-watering cuisines, you found the right place. We travel the world, tasting the flavors that make each country unique, and today is no exception. The holidays are all about celebration, tradition, and family, and food plays a starring role in every cultural gathering. From savory mains to sweet treats, festive foods are packed with symbolism, memories, and flavor. In today's video, we'll dive into 5 festive foods from around the world that make the holidays extra special. These dishes not only nourish our bodies, but also tell the stories of people, places, and centuries of tradition. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a delicious journey across the globe. Let's explore the top 5 festive foods that turn holidays into unforgettable feasts. 1. Thanksgiving feast in the United States, the ultimate family gathering. In the United States, Thanksgiving is one of the most anticipated holidays of the year, and its iconic feast is an absolute celebration of gratitude, harvest, and family. The tradition goes back to the 17th century, when pilgrims and Native Americans came together to give thanks for a bountiful harvest. Today, Thanksgiving meals remain a time for families to gather and enjoy a spread of comfort foods that have become an integral part of American culture. Key dishes in the Thanksgiving feast. Roast turkey. The centerpiece of every Thanksgiving dinner, roast turkey symbolizes abundance and family unity. It's often seasoned with aromatic herbs like sage and thyme, then stuffed with a delicious filling. Cranberry sauce, tangy, sweet, and just the right balance to the richness of the turkey. Cranberry sauce is a must-have side dish. It's often made with fresh cranberries, sugar, and orange zest for that extra festive touch. Stuffing. There are countless variations, from cornbread stuffing to sausage and herb-filled versions. This dish brings together the savory flavors of vegetables, bread, and herbs, and it often soaks up the turkey's flavorful drippings. Pumpkin pie? No Thanksgiving meal is complete without a slice of pumpkin pie. This spiced dessert made from a creamy pumpkin filling encased in a flaky crust has become a symbol of autumn. Cultural significance. Thanksgiving's spread of food is more than just a feast, it's an opportunity for families to reconnect and reflect on their blessings, making it one of the most beloved holiday traditions in the U.S. 2. Christmas dinner in the United Kingdom, a royal feast. In the United Kingdom, Christmas dinner is the highlight of the holiday season. While it's not just about the food, the Christmas feast is certainly The traditional meal is typically served on Christmas Day after the festive morning activities and church services. Families come together to enjoy hearty, comforting dishes that have been passed down for generations. Key dishes in the UK Christmas dinner. Roast turkey or goose. Much like the US, roast turkey is the star of the Christmas table in the UK. But roast goose is also a popular alternative, especially in some regions. The bird is usually served with gravy, roasted vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. Christmas pudding, a rich steamed fruitcake. Christmas pudding is a beloved British dessert that contains dried fruits, spices, and suet. It is traditionally with brandy and served with a dollop of brandy butter or custard. The tradition of stirring the pudding and making a wish before cooking adds a magical touch to the dish. Mince pies. These small individual pies are filled with mincemeat, a mixture of dried fruits, suet, and spices. They are a festive favorite in the UK, especially enjoyed with a warm glass of mulled wine. Cultural significance. British Christmas dinner is a reflection of the country's long-standing history of feasting, family unity, and gratitude. It's a day where tradition and warmth are at the forefront. 3. Hanukkah in Israel, Latkes and Seft Ganayat. Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights, is celebrated by Jewish communities around the world. The holiday marks the miracle of the oil in the Holy Temple, which lasted for 8 days. In Israel, Hanukkah is marked by festive food, especially those that are fried in oil to symbolize the miracle. Key dishes for Hanukkah. Latkes potato pancakes, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Latkes are made from grated potatoes, onions, eggs, and flour. They are fried to golden perfection and served with a variety of toppings, such as applesauce or sour cream. Sufganiyat jelly donuts. These sweet, fluffy donuts are filled with sweet jam, usually strawberry or raspberry, and dusted with powdered sugar. They are traditionally eaten during Hanukkah as a reminder of the oil used in the temple's menorah. Brisket, while not a fried food. Brisket is a classic dish during Hanukkah. Slow cooked and tender, it is often served with root vegetables and seasoned with a variety of spices. Cultural significance. Hanukkah food traditions reflect the deep cultural and spiritual meaning of the holiday. The fried foods symbolize the oil that miraculously burned for 8 days, and the act of sharing these meals with loved ones reinforces the themes of family and faith. For Diwali in India, sweets and spices for the Festival of Lights. In India, Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is the most significant Hindu holiday. The festival marks the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Diwali is a time of cleaning, decorating, and preparing for a grand celebration with family and friends. And of course, no Diwali celebration is complete without a feast. Key dishes during Diwali: samosas. These deep-fried pastries are filled with a mixture of spiced potatoes, peas, or meat. Samosas are a favorite appetizer during Diwali and are often enjoyed with tangy tamarind chutney. Laddu, a sweet round confection made from ingredients like chickpea flour, ghee, and sugar. Laddu is one of the most popular sweets served during Diwali, and it is believed to bring good luck and prosperity. Barfi. This fudge-like dessert is made from condensed milk and sugar, flavored with cardamom, pistachios, or coconut. It's typically garnished with edible silver leaf, making it a festive treat for Diwali. Chai. While not a food, Diwali is incomplete without a steaming cup of masala chai, a spiced tea that is traditionally served during family gatherings. Cultural significance: Diwali is a celebration of light, good fortune, and family. The sweets and treats eaten during Diwali not only satisfy the taste buds, but also represent prosperity and the blessings of the new year. 5. Christmas in Mexico, tamales and ponche. In Mexico, Christmas celebrations are vibrant and festive, and the food is an integral part of the holiday season. Nochebuena, the Mexican Christmas Eve celebration, features a variety of delicious dishes that bring families together to enjoy the holiday season. Key dishes in Mexican Christmas celebrations. Tamales. These traditional Mexican treats are made from masa corn dough, filled with meats, cheese, or chilies, and wrapped in corn husks before being steamed. Tamales are a beloved food that brings families together during the holiday season. Bacalao a la salted cod. This dish is a classic during Christmas in Mexico. The salted cod is prepared with tomatoes, olives, capers, and potatoes, creating a flavorful stew that has become a holiday staple. Punch. A warm, fruity punch made from cinnamon, hibiscus flowers, sugarcane, and other fruits like guava and apples. It's often served with a splash of rum, making it the perfect drink to enjoy during the holiday season. Cultural significance. Mexican Christmas food is a fusion of indigenous and European influences, and it celebrates family, warmth, and community. The act of sharing these foods signifies togetherness and gratitude, a world of flavors, traditions, and memories. Food is at the heart of every holiday celebration. Whether it's the rich flavors of a Polish Christmas dinner, the sweet treats of Diwali, or the savory turkey at an American Thanksgiving, these dishes are more than just meals. They carry history, culture, and memories. Each bite connects us to the people, the traditions, and the stories that make these holidays so special. Which of these festive dishes would you love to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey around the world through food, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious adventures on Global Eats Uncovered.